안녕하세요. 이번 시간에는 원어민다운 표현 그 7번째 시간입니다. 이번 편부터는 조금 긴 문장이 상당수 포함되어 있는데요. 문장이 길어지면 아무래도 좀 어려워 보일 수 있습니다. 하지만 이럴 땐 덩어리로 끊어서 익히시면 조금 더 쉽게 학습하실 수 있으니 그렇게 해보시기 바랍니다. 그럼 오늘도 힘차게 달려볼까요? 영상이 마음에 드신다면 좋아요와 구독도 부탁드릴게요. 감사합니다.
내 말 좀 들어봐요.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Listen to me.
독감에 걸려요.
I'm coming down with the flu.
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 못되게 굴지 마세요.
Don't be a dick.
Don't be a dick.
Don't be a dick.
Don't be a dick.
불이 나갔어요.
The light is out.
The light is out.
The light is out.
The light is out.
출산 예정일이 언제입니까?
When is your due date?
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 식당에 갈래?
You wanna go out to a restaurant?
You wanna go out to a restaurant?
You wanna go out to a restaurant?
You want to go out to a restaurant.
허리둘레가 너무 조여요.
It's too tight around the waist.
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 옛날 일이에요.
It's in the past.
It's in the past.
It's in the past.
It's in the past.
저는 새벽 3시까지 깨어 있었습니다.
I stayed awake until 3
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 한국에서 가장 좋아하는 것은 무엇입니까?
What's your favorite thing about Korea?
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 오후 내내 잤어요.
I slept the entire afternoon.
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 야, 천천히.
Hey, slow down.
Hey, slow down.
Hey, slow down.
Hey, slow down.
늦게까지 안 자네.
You're up late.
You're up late.
You're up late.
You're up late.
도전하세요.
Just go for it.
Just go for it.
Just go for it.
Just go for it.
설명하기 어려워요.
It's hard to explain.
It's hard to explain.
It's hard to explain.
It's hard to explain.
일어날 시간이에요.
It's time to get up.
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 5분 안에 내려가겠습니다.
I'll be down there in 5 minutes.
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 아첨해도 소용없어.
Flattery will get you nowhere.
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 무슨 말인지 모르겠어요.
I don't get what you're saying.
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 그들은 암호 푸는 방법을 이미 알고 있었어.
They already knew how to crack the code.
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 우리는 초등학교 친구입니다.
We're friends from elementary school.
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 어떻게 보상해 드릴까요?
How can I make it up to you?
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 너무 과장했어요.
They overhyped it.
They overhyped it.
They overhyped it.
They overhyped it.
정말 이상한 우연이네요.
What a weird coincidence.
What a weird coincidence.
What a weird coincidence.
What a weird coincidence.
내일 시간 있으세요?
Are you free tomorrow?
Are you free tomorrow?
Are you free tomorrow?
Are you free tomorrow?
요즘 어떻게 지내?
How's your life?
How's your life?
How's your life?
How's your life?
괜찮았습니다.
It was all right.
It was all right.
It was all right.
It was all right.
사소한 일에 진땀 흘리지 마세요.
Don't sweat the small stuff.
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 침착하셔야 돼요.
You have to stay calm.
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 그냥 사실만.
Just the facts.
Just the facts.
Just the facts.
Just the facts.
바쁘신 것 같네요.
Sounds like you're busy.
Sounds like you're busy.
Sounds like you're busy.
Sounds like you're busy.
부모님은 어떠세요?
What are your parents like?
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 성년이 된.
Come of age.
Come of age.
Come of age.
Come of age.
믿기 어려운데.
I don't buy it.
I don't buy it.
I don't buy it.
I don't buy it.
공통점이 많은 것 같아요.
I think we have a lot in common.
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 영화 추천 좀 해주세요.
Can you give me movie recommendations?
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 제가 신세를 지는군요.
I owe you one.
I owe you one.
I owe you one.
I owe you one.
행운을 빌어주세요.
Wish me luck.
Wish me luck.
Wish me luck.
Wish me luck.
일부러 그런 거예요.
Did you do that on purpose?
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 치아가 예민합니다.
My teeth are sensitive.
My teeth are sensitive.
My teeth are sensitive.
My teeth are sensitive.
언제 돌아오십니까?
When are you coming back?
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 장동건이 나오는 영화 봤어요?
Did you see the movie that's starring Donggun Jang?
Did you see the movie that's starring Donggun Jang?
Did you see the movie that's starring Donggun Jang?
Did you see the movie that's starring Donggun Jang?
부엌일 좀 도와주시겠습니까?
Could you give me a hand in the kitchen?
Could you give me a hand in the kitchen?
Could you give me a hand in the kitchen?
Could you give me a hand in the kitchen?
어떻게 해야 할지 모르겠어요.
I have no idea how to do that.
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 왜 그러는 겁니까?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
어떻게 될지 두고 봅시다.
We'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens.
We'll see what happens.
잠시만요.
Just a second.
Just a second.
Just a second.
Just a second.
어제 토했어요.
I puked yesterday.
I puked yesterday.
I puked yesterday.
I puked yesterday.
소매를 걷어 올려주세요.
Please roll up your sleeves.
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 나 왜 이래요?
Why am I like this?
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 그것은 차라리 모르는 게 나았어.
It was better to be oblivious about that.
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 너한테 말했어야 했어.
I should have told you.
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 눈에서 멀어지면 마음에서도 멀어져요.
Out of sight, out of mind.
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 솔직하게 말씀하겠어요.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
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 시간이 지나면 나아질 겁니다.
It's gonna get better over time.
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 각자 계산합시다.
Let's pay separately.
Let's pay separately.
Let's pay separately.
Let's pay separately.
주제를 변경해요.
Change the subject.
Change the subject.
Change the subject.
Change the subject.
습관을 고치는 것은 너무 어렵습니다.
It's so hard to break a habit.
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 혼자 있는 게 좋았어요.
I liked being on my own.
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 여기서 당신을 만나다니요.
Fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you here.
연락이 안 되네요.
I can't get a hold of him.
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 부인께 안부 좀 전해주세요.
Remember me to your wife.
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 무슨 일이 생겼어요?
Something's come up.
Something's come up.
Something's come up.
Something's come up.
저 사람은 시한폭탄이에요.
That guy is a time bomb.
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 에어컨 강도를 좀 낮춰도 되겠습니까?
Would you mind if I put the aircon on low?
Would you mind if I put the aircon on low?
Would you mind if I put the aircon on low?
Would you mind if I put the aircon on low?
저는 24시간 내내 일하고 있습니다.
I'm working around the clock.
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 가야겠어요. 나중에 또 만나요.
I gotta go. Catch you later.
I gotta go catch you later.
I gotta go catch you later.
I gotta go catch you later.
제가 할 수 있을지 모르겠습니다.
I'm not sure if I'll be able to.
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 우리는 사이가 멀어졌습니다.
We've grown apart.
We've grown apart.
We've grown apart.
We've grown apart.
미행당하고 있는 것 같아요.
I think we have a tail.
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 자유롭게 말할 수 없습니다.
Not at liberty to say.
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 미안해요. 언니랑 약속이 있어서요.
I'm sorry. I've got plans with my sister.
I'm sorry, I've got plans with my sister.
I'm sorry, I've got plans with my sister.
I'm sorry, I've got plans with my sister.
잘했어요. 당신이 최고예요.
It went great. You're golden.
It went great, you're golden.
It went great, you're golden.
It went great, you're golden.
그래도 약은 계속 드세요.
Keep taking your medicine though.
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 걸어갈래요? 아니면 지하철을 탈래요?
Would you rather walk or take the subway?
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 내일이면 늦잠을 잘 수 있을 겁니다.
Well, tomorrow you'll be able to sleep in.
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 이 책 작업할 수 있어요?
Can you work on this book?
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 잘했어요. 정말 일을 효과적으로 잘하네요.
Nice play. Look who's got game.
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 저는 제 일을 할 뿐입니다.
I just do my own thing.
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 그는 요주의 인물입니다.
He's a person of interest.
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 그는 모든 일에 능통합니다.
He is a jack of all trades.
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 나한테 유감 있니?
Do you have anything against me?
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 그를 죽을 만큼 사랑합니다.
I love him to death.
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 나도 해고장을 받았어요.
I got a pink slip too.
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 당신은 한 번이라도 성형수술을 해본 적이 있습니까?
Have you ever had a nip and tuck done?
Have you ever had a nip and tuck done?
Have you ever had a nip and tuck done?
Have you ever had a nip and tuck done?
다시 해봐요. 죽는 소리 하지 말고요.
Try again. Never say die.
Try again, never say die.
Try again, never say die.
Try again, never say die.
저는 그것을 이해하지 못한 것 같습니다.
I seem to have lost track of it.
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 면이 불었습니다.
The noodles are soggy.
The noodles are soggy.
The noodles are soggy.
The noodles are soggy.
그는 일이 많습니까?
Does he have a lot of balls in the air?
Does he have a lot of balls in the air?
Does he have a lot of balls in the air?
Does he have a lot of balls in the air?
저 가게에 드레스가 보이나요?
Do you see the dress in that shop?
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 배가 고프면 약을 드세요.
Take some medicine if you're stuffed up.
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 그는 정말 날 위해 날 구해줬어요.
He really saved the day for me.
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 제가 회사까지 태워다 드리겠습니다.
I will give you a ride to work.
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 세상에, 이건 엄청난 실수입니다.
Hell's bells. This is a huge mistake.
Hell's bells, this is a huge mistake.
Hell's bells, this is a huge mistake.
Hell's bells, this is a huge mistake.
그녀는 오늘 도쿄에 출장을 갔습니다.
She went to Tokyo on business today.
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 너는 대충 그냥 말하는 거잖아.
You're just ballparking that number.
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 그들은 항상 파업 중입니다.
They're always on strike.
They're always on strike.
They're always on strike.
They're always on strike.
내 성격은 아부하고는 거리가 멀어요.
Flattery is foreign to my nature.
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 우리가 운이 좋다면 우리는 휴식을 취할 것입니다.
If we're lucky, we'll catch a break.
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 나는 청강을 할 생각이에요.
I'm planning to sit in on it.
I'm planning to sit in on it.
I'm planning to sit in on it.
I'm planning to sit in on it.